At the Doing installation site in China, a set of 15-ton per day pyrolysis system processes plastic waste and biomass like wood. The setup features a PLC-controlled system for full automation, monitoring temperature, pressure, feeding, slag discharge, and exhaust throughout the process. Key components, including the reactor vessel, buffer tanks, damping tanks, dewaxing tanks, and pipelines, are made from 300 stainless steel to resist corrosive gases from plastic pyrolysis. It uses a front discharge designed for slag, simplifying operations. A dedicated dewaxing tank separates wax from plastic pyrolysis, improving oil quality and preventing blockages. Once operational, the system converts waste plastics into fuel oil and syngas, while agricultural and forestry residues or wood produce biochar and wood vinegar liquid.
Doing waste to wealth. Fuel the future.